Just hold on to it. Go. Alright.
Firefox, a web browser which everybody hates, but at the same time they have no choice other than using that because, well, that's probably the best open source web browser out there. A web browser known to compete with Chrome using old school tactics such as healing with time, making everything rounded and floated, copying other web browsers which used to copy them, and finally killing our brain cells. It recently announced its new version and it was a pretty huge massive version when it comes to the changes it had and the updates it got. It decided to add another new feature called Firefox View, which seemingly is a very good feature. No, seriously, I think this is a good feature. I think this will make a lot of Android users install Firefox in their Android device. I don't know if Apple users are gonna go ahead and then download this in their iPhones, but I'm pretty sure this is a good move. Now you can not only sync tabs between your laptop, desktop, PC and Android system, you can also go ahead and then view whatever you want between each other.
A few minutes later.
Colorway. This feature is not a new feature, to be honest. It was an old feature which was hidden to us and it's gonna go away in January 11th or 17th if I'm not wrong. Now that is for the sake of the name. The name Colorways is gonna go away in January 17th, although the feature is gonna stay there as integrated into Firefox. I don't know why Firefox did this, but yeah, they decided to take away their own reputation by adding bad advertisement ideas in this. You could choose the color of the theme you have in your Firefox web browser, but the new feature is that it's now gonna predict you. No, seriously, it's gonna go ahead and then predict what you are. According to Firefox, I am a dreamer. I always keep dreaming, and yeah, that was probably the worst out of all the predictions it could do. Like, come on, I am way more than just a dreamer. Please. I hope so. Apart from that, I also love the new colors and the new painting sort of things right here. Although it is not consistent with the actual styling of other Firefox UI element, it still looks good and I still love it. Although I'm just gonna see it once or twice in my lifetime because, well, I just see it when I'm changing the theme of the color of the theme. Apart from that, we also had a new poster in Firefox 100 where it was just this guy who was doing some carpentry work. I don't know from what perspective it matches as a poster for a web browser, but it existed, and now that color, that thing, that image, that guy has changed. It has changed to something else which you are seeing on the screen, and I love it. I mean, at least it's better than what it was. And finally, I think it's time to say that, well, Firefox is improving. It's picking up with its competitors, although I still don't understand why in the world is Firefox having this kind of trouble in just opening Instagram. No, really, I can't log into Instagram and then view whatever I want. It just doesn't work. Come on Firefox, please do something. I mean, Instagram is a huge part of my life. Please also follow me on Instagram. But with that said, it does work in Chrome based web browsers. I can easily open up Instagram as a website in other Chrome based web browsers. It just doesn't work in Firefox. So hope Firefox fixes it. There's actually nothing much new and noticeable you could find in Firefox new release, but that's really about it. I hope you guys understood it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll meet you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, bell, and goodbye.